Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today my phone is on charge, so let's get it. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I was making slime with soap thing, but it didn't turn out very good. So stay tuned and I'm gonna get the slime started. And link will be in the description if you want. No, I meant follow me on Snapchat. Link will be in the description. So let's get started. I have to get the slime. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have the slime here. It was a total fail. Just look at it, like. It was like a total fail. Comment down below if it was a fail or not. It's just like soap themed slime. It's very bubbly. Look at it. Just like, look, it just all falls off. I tried making it, but I was going to show you guys on the tutorial how to make it, and I'm not going to do a tutorial today. The tutorial is going to be in a few little weeks, so you guys can check that out. And I'm going to go back and put it in the freezer to see is it going to turn into slime or not. So stay tuned. This was just a little check out on how it was doing. So thank you guys for watching this and staying tuned. Thank you.